Aluminum. Imported. Large storage capacity, folding carrying handle. Durable, welded metal construction, easy on-off bike. One-time assembly, weather resistant. Midweight. 15 pounds weight capacity. Fits most bikes. Minimum clearance required 28 cm from top of handlebar to top of fender tire for optimal fit. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect basket. I am an older lady that likes to ride my bike a lot, but casually. I like to ride places if I can, rather than drive. This holds lots of stuff and even a small bag of groceries. Nothing falls through. Cell phone. It went on pretty easy once I realized I had to position it under all the wires in front. The wires just rest on it and no problem taking things in or out. If you're a serious biker going on long rides come hell, high winds or rain, then obviously this isn't for you. But if you're a grandma riding around the summer campground with your grandson or taking a nice relaxing ride with your sister to the beach, this will do the trick. Fits my towel, Kindle, water bottle, etc. Glad I purchased.